How to add a location on a Facebook story. First of all, go ahead and open up the Facebook application on your phone. You will then be brought to the Facebook homepage. Here, you can view posts from friends and pages that you follow on Facebook. On this page, tap on Create Story at the top as shown. You can now choose photos and videos from your camera roll to add it to your story. Choose any photo from here. You can now edit the photo using the edit options on the right. Tap on the stickers icon at the top right corner. Here, tap on Location. Now, search for or choose a location from here. After you're done editing, tap on the Share button below. You have now successfully shared this photo as your story. You can repeat the same steps to create more stories on Facebook. Following these steps, you can easily add a location on a Facebook story.